Okay, that's made. Now let's create this section. So we are up to this section, and let's create another section, which is this section. Maybe recommended section. Maybe logo section, that we can create a logo section. So let's try to be using some code. Again, logo section, does it have a logo section? No, it doesn't have a logo section, but can we use it from somewhere? So let's see. We don't need to write too much of code. As I told you that we have to work smart, not hard. So let's find out some of the code snippet. Logo section don in Shopify. Let's see. Do we have a logo section? Logo section on home page. Okay, let's see. We have inbuilt code. Yes, 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 and that is good. We copy this, and when was it last published? Yes, it's published. And let's create a section called logo section. Logos logo section. Okay, so logo sections, because these would be logos of the recommended logo list. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Again, if you are new to Shopify and you need theme development things like this how this is being created and everything, you can watch some of my theme tutorial videos, which would be in my channel, and you'll be able to see how these blocks are being created and other stuffs are being created. So yeah, it would be pretty easy for you to understand these things. So okay, so let's see if we have a logo section coming up here. So do we have a logo section? Yeah, logo list. We have a logo list. Very good. So the logo list is there, and we can add as recommended by someone website name or logo. Let's add Nike or Nike logo. So images, I'll just find a PNG image. Right, Nike. I'm not sure which kind of website it would be, but uh, let's put some dummy logos. So flat icons would be flat icons. Let's see, flat icons, and let's see logos of different companies. So possibly we can, not the social logos, I'm looking for tech logo or Nike. Okay, so like I'll just download this Nike icon. Pretty good for me. Yeah, I'll just free download it, and because I'm not going to use so Nike, and then we'll search for Adidas. So Adidas, we have this Adidas logo. We download. Okay, and then we find other logos. Probably the logo could be of any other. Puma. Download. Re-download. Okay, so let's put these logos into action. Okay, so these logos are uploaded over here. 1 2 3, and done. We have one logo coming up. We have two logo coming up. We have three logo coming up. Three logo coming up, and we'll use fourth logo again, maybe Audi car, Audi Panther, maybe Panther, not Panther. Oh, Jordan. Nothing. Basically, these would be tech companies actually. So I'm just putting some tech logos. So tech shop. Not sure what to put. So shoes logo. Okay, let's put the Apple logo as well. Okay, so yeah, anything would do actually at the moment. So so we'll use the Apple logo as well. No, not this one. So I'm not going to use, I'm going to use HTC logo. So download it. HTC. So add image, HTC logo, upload, and done. And we have 4 logos over here. Now the work is a logo width small, extra small. We can make it extra small to our wish, and yeah, we can even add custom CSS if we want to this section. So we have as recommended, so we'll put as recommended, as recommended. So it should be M recommended. So extra small, and yeah, we can use this, save it, and instead of H1 we are going to use H2 over here to make it smaller, little bit smaller, and push this thing up over here, over here, somewhere over here. Yes, yeah, the transformation, before the transformation, and we have these beautiful looking logos up here. we need this as recommended text to be over here. Okay, so we are going to put that text over here, and can we add more logos? Yes, we can add more logos if we want, but we don't want, I'll not add them now because we already have the logos. So so let's see. The title is good. So logo list item container, and the first item which I'm gonna put it is uh, because I would be making it as a list, and that should be a logo item, and yeah, li attempting to, so I'll just close this, and I hope so that would do the trick. Does the trick, but I think so. It's we do have the limit over here of 4 in a row, so we can make it to 5. As recommended by, so as recommended by right, so it should be as recommended by, and I'll see to it that the font size for this is smaller, and um, this is title, and let's make it smaller, and inspect element, and title. Okay, the title has something, so uh, titles, let's make it titles, so it should not be changed. So yeah, let's add some css over here. So maximum width, we can maximum width 100 pixel, or not 100 pixel, but we can change it to even 200 if needed, and yeah, I'll make it to 200. So this does the trick, but it needs to be centered align. So for that centered align thing, what we'll have to do is, if we are using grid, we can center this. Okay, and yeah, okay, and okay, so what's left? Yeah, we can change the maximum width to this one, and font size also. Maybe we can change the font size. Text font style italic, because that's written in italic. We can make it in italic, and font size also we can adjust later on. But yeah, this is a brand new section which we have created, and that's reusable again. So as recommended by is also done, and right, so we do need the social proof also. Okay. uh, the social proof thing, how can we create that? All right, so let's create the social proof thing. And no, before that, I think so we are going to create this um, image with text, and with the review section also. So we are going to use this. uh, let's refresh this and see what we have got. And we'll close all other sections. Yeah, we have this image with text. So instead of this image with text, uh, I'll actually duplicate this section, and you know image with text review section, so that we keep the old section, so that can be used. So image with text review, because these sections once created can be reused somewhere in other codes. So yeah, so I am going to pick up the image with text section, image with text, copy this, and as I did, uh, image with text reviews. So I'll just copy this name, go up, and put it here if it is right. So let's see if we have that section up and running. And let's make the reviews a bit higher, because yeah, it's not looking good. Well, let's make it to 4.6, 4.7, based upon too much of reviews. That's a very good review actually. And yeah, so I'm happy this thing is working. Add section, and let's see image with text reviews. Perfect. And we are going to remove this section, because now we have this whole section which we can change to our requirement. All right, so image with text reviews. So uh, we need to add a button, and besides the button we need the review system. All right, so image with text, button, and besides the button goes the reviews. All right, so okay, now with the button we have the label. We have the label, and uh, also reviews. So what we can do is, like, let's see if they are trying to imitate somewhat some from somewhere. No, so no. So they are not trying to imitate it from somewhere, but we will create it from scratch. So we have this button, and inside the button, when button, we have this A, and what I want is uh, I want to show uh, so inside the image banner we have that thing, render thing, yeah, this one. So we will use this whole stuff. There are some changes which are need to be done, but we'll use this whole stuff. Now instead of log, it should be okay, yeah, because blocks dot settings dot reviews, yes, we can use that actually. So that's okay, that's okay. We are going to use the whole block system over here. So where is the block of our star rating? So we have this and this. So we are going to use these two things. Okay. So inside the button, when we go inside a button, uh, we have to be sure that we are using a block over here, block, and caption, and then text, and then button. Inside the button we should have these two values as well. So this would be giving us whatever we need. So 3 based upon the review. So we'll put the same thing, out of 5 based on uh, the reviews which we get. So we'll refresh this. Now we have one more thing. Default value was 3. So we have this 3, but now what we will have another thing. We'll have this thing based upon that review system. All right, there is one problem though. So I think so it's working. The top one is working, the bottom one is not working, because the problem lies is uh, it actually is not able to calculate this width. So the width is not being calculated. In this, the width is calculated. In this, the width is calculated, but as we go down, for this, the width is not calculated. Why? Because so we'll have to pass something unique with this. So uh, the star rating liquid should be a unique value. So let's see how we can implement this. So this is something related to JavaScript also, and we can actually do some trick. So